Okay, here's a little video for you Massey Ferguson GC 1705 owners that loan your machine out and you come back to it and you find this. This is basically the hydraulic filter that was knocked off by the dry shaft. Okay, what happens is when you go to pull the mower onto the mower deck and you engage the hydraulic dry shaft for the PTO for the mower deck, it does this, knocks it off, and of course that is made into the transmission hydraulic case for the rear differential. So what I did is I went online and I ordered this Wix part number right here, which is this little piece, which this is, the small end is 5/8 18 thread, and the big one is factory Massey Ferguson filter thread 3/4 16. This is the new filter here from Massey Ferguson. This is the special drill bit 37/64 for the 5/8 18 fine thread tap, which what we did here is these are some of the tools, some random drills to step drill the hole. I used the unibit to flatten it up a little bit, used a grinder, and this is the new one that I made, because when you're doing it you have to trim the end of it off, and I cut a slot in the end of it so I could screw it in with a screwdriver. Okay, this is the little piece that was on the end of there. Okay, what it looks like down here is this is the new hole right here. This is where the filter sets. This gets cut off flush with the housing case here, and then you got drain holes here you can flush everything out with. And when you're drilling the hole, you can see the step down inside here. I stepped it because there's a hole up there, can't really see it too well, where the fluid goes through, and you don't want to cover that hole or you'll cut the flow down, so you want to stop just before that. And that is the reason I had to cut a little bit of the stepped insert off just a little. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all together now, and we're going to see how it works. I've already tested the filter, everything looks good, it all sits flat, and this is the tap that was used, and some of the other tools that were used to do the job. Anyway, again, the part number for the adapter is the 24037, which I purchased that at O'Reilly's, and then the drill bit and the tap is, of course, it says Napa on there, and I used Napa and O'Reilly's to purchase the parts, and then Massey Ferguson for the oil filter and the new oil for it. So let's finish this project and we'll see how it goes.